Okay, so how you guys doing? Good? So let's refresh our brains on how to solve a linear equation that looks like this. In a previous video, we had parentheses in the problem. And the question is, do we want to keep them? I agree, we don't, because to be honest with you, parentheses hide the true equation. So we need to get rid of those parentheses first and foremost. So remind me, what's the operation between the 2 and that parenthesis? Good, it's multiplication, so you're going to have to distribute. How many times? Twice, because there's 2 terms inside the parentheses. Lovely. Okay, so what do you get? Right, you get 2x plus 2, and then bring down the plus 5 equals negative 9. Wonderful. So far, so good? Good. Now, I'm noticing that we have one variable. That's great. It's over there on the left. That's great. I don't have to move variables around. But I'm noticing on the left that the 2 terms that don't have a variable, we can combine them because they're like terms, right? Okay, so we have 2x, and you have a plus 2 and a plus 5, plus 7, equals negative 9. And now we end up with an equation that we have worked with for a number of years, right? Okay, so tell me what to do. Okay, I hear you. Minus 7 on both sides. I got it. Now what? Good. You are going to bring down the 2x. The plus 7 minus 7 cancels, equals negative 16. You did it without your calculators, right? Good. Done? Excellent. You say no, because we have to divide both the left and the right side of the equal to sign by 2, right, to get that x by itself. So we end up with x equals negative 8. Well done, guys. Loving it. Okay, so I have some examples coming your way that if you would like some more practice, you can work on them and then go look for the lecture video I have for the answer key if you want to see how I solve them. Have fun. Catch you on the flip side.